Well, hello, awesome people, and welcome back to day 4 of our series. I hope you've been enjoying our short series, but I hope that you've been writing things down, thinking about what we've been talking about, and getting ready to pack up, leave 2020 behind, and move forward. So, if you've missed any of our series, you can catch it on my YouTube channel. You can head to my Facebook page, my LinkedIn, my Instagram. You can head there and catch up on all of our days and our series that we've been doing here. So we're in day 4 of our series. Today we want to talk about reviewing your goals, revisiting your goals. When we don't put deadlines on our goals, they're just wishes. So we have to write our goals down as your action item, make some deadlines. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Sometimes I will make a goal for myself and I give myself a 90-day period. That's a good time. It's not too long, it's not too short. Sometimes I make a 30-day goal, as long as it's a goal that's attainable. So you have goals for your life, you have goals for your business. Write them down. It's so important to write things down. I have this notebook here. I have quite a few of these where I keep notes in. I keep them next to my desk area, and I put my goals down. I put my projects that I want to do. I put my clients, everything in journals, and I keep them written down, and I revisit them. And when we're writing our goals down and we're thinking about what is it that we want to do for our lives, or what is it that we want to do for our businesses, you don't want to forget education. Education is key. Whether you say, let me watch a webinar or let me watch a video, something that will help you with your goals, something that will help you understand how to make them reality. We need help. We need education. We need webinars. We need videos. So you have to put some time in your schedule to actually look for things that are going to help you with your goals. So your action item today is write down some goals, put them on a post-it note. You know, I love that. Put them where you can see them, because we're getting ready to pack up and say goodbye to 2020, and we're moving forward for 2021. And that includes writing things down, looking at them, and focusing on them each day. So I'm Marsha Lynn Hudson, your social media and branding strategist. And in day 5, we're going to wrap up with making a plan, developing a strategy. So until next time, join me in saying yes to success.